Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to disable location detection in Snapchat app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, and also write your comments after watching. And friends, let us get started with you. I'm going to show you everything step by step right now. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. Now on the bottom left side, go to Snapchat cards. Then on the top right side, click on the gear to open the settings from Snapchat cards. And here you can temporarily disable your location. How to do this? To do this, you'll need to activate this hidden mode right here. To activate it, you'll need to click on this button here. And you can choose how long you want to disable your location. It can be 3 hours or 24 hours, after which it will automatically start showing your location on Snapchat again. You can also choose the latter option until you turn it on yourself. And as you can see, a sign like this appears, which means that your location will be hidden and not visible to your friends. But if you want to completely disable your geodata in the Snapchat app, then friends, you'll need to log out of Snapchat. Go to Settings on your phone, then scroll down. Find the Snapchat app itself. Open it up and select a location. Next, you will need to select the Never option. This way, the Snapchat app will never be able to track your location and share it with others. Friends, this is how you can disable your location detection in Snapchat. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put likes, also write comments and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.